Hello friends, I'm Dr. Gitanjali Dambalkar, a consultant pediatrician practicing at my clinic in Sector 66, Gurgaon. The clinic name is Gurgaon Child and Vaccination Clinic. Today I wish to educate all the parents on a very common condition I see in my clinic. We medically label it as pica. What pica exactly is that, certain children have the habit of eating non-edible substances. Non-edible substances, like very commonly many children eat mud or earth. Then some children may be eating clay, soap, even ice, wool. So the eating of this kind of non-edible substances is what we medically label as pica. Let's say a child brought to the clinic who's 10 months old, and the mother says that the child is eating all kinds of things, putting everything in the mouth, doctor. So that is not pica, because younger children before the age of 1.5 or 2, they very commonly have this habit of putting everything into the mouth. We label it as mouthing. Now, mouthing, that is a way that younger children assess the taste of everything. So, pica is something which is like, we label it as a disorder where child eats non-edible substances, but we only put the label, or we use the term in children older than 2 years of age. So, why this happens? Very common, most common, in fact, I would say the most common cause is malnutrition or nutritional, certain specific nutritional deficiencies, very commonly for iron, calcium, and zinc. So apart from that, a child in a emotionally unstable environment, parental discord, that kind of a poor family environment, that also predisposes to pica. Then the pica could also be seen in children who are intellectually disabled or autistic children. So how do we address this issue? As I said, the most common cause is nutritional deficiency. So we need to work up and evaluate the child with regard to specific, nutritional deficiencies. So any of those, if found, we need to correct them, with the therapeutic doses. So, and then again, if issues like parental or familial discord is there, that needs to be addressed. If the child does not feel secure in that environment, pica is again one of the things that may exhibit in the child. So that needs, the parental or the family discord needs to be addressed. Then apart from that, like I said, there are factors like a child's intellectual disability. So yeah, that also we need to see and evaluate the child for, and correction can be done accordingly.